I got involved in the union in 1980 at the clerical regulatory strike, so the infamous CR strike. And I was a single mom, a term, 2 small children, and I got a phone call and I was on the picket line.
Les commis qui en ont ras-le-bol de l'iniquité salariale mènent la plus importante grève de l'histoire du pays. Robin travaille au bureau des impôts de Winnipeg depuis quelques semaines à peine lorsqu'elles sont descendues dans la rue.
She knew the difference of was it right to go to work or was it right to support the union in the picket line. Being a single mom, she certainly looked at the broader picture, not about what is in this for me. Okay, she in fact was looking at what's in it for my children.
L'histoire d'amour entre Robin et le syndicalisme est née durant la grève des CR. À partir de ce jour-là, elle s'implique à fond dans sa section locale du syndicat des employés de l'impôt.
UT is not known for like suits, ties, and things like that. Robin showed up nice and fresh at the president's conference in her little suit. And of course, everybody was going, who's that? And the suit didn't last long.
Robin se dépense sans compter pour ses consoeurs et confrères du SEI. Elle répète souvent ses présentations de griefs devant ses enfants.
One of the things I told Robin at the very beginning was, look around, look at the people. If you're going to be involved in this union and it's for the long haul, then you're going to have to eat, sleep, and drink union.
Robin est trésorière puis présidente de sa section locale avant d'être élue vice-présidente régionale des Prairies du syndicat des employés de l'impôt. On a vite compris qu'elle est une vraie force de la nature sur les lignes de piquetage.
She's a bit of an instigator, but certainly she never met a picket line she didn't like.
There's 2 things Robin loves, the prairies and picket lines.
À la tête de son escouade volante, Robin se rend sur les lignes de piquetage d'autres syndicats pour prêter main forte.
We had one instance in a Treasury Board strike. Along came this truck deciding that it was going to go through the picket line. And it was a really, really big truck. And Robin is not necessarily the tallest person I know. Well, I tell you, she put her hands on her hips, she stood in front of that truck, and there was no way she was moving. Robin stood her ground, and I tell you, it was a sight to be seen because it showed the members that the leadership were willing to do what we asked the members to do.
Le dévouement sans faille de Robin aux membres de sa région ne passe pas inaperçu. En 2000, il lui vaut le poste de vice-présidente exécutive régionale de l'AFPC pour les Prairies.
One thing about Robin is she is so proud of being from the prairies. And you know, a lot of those principles that we dealt with on the farm, they translate to union principles. You believe in something, you work hard, other people are counting on you, you know, to see those prairie principles on a national level, well, it makes all of us prairie folks really proud.
Robin siège au comité d'accès à l'égalité de l'AFPC de 1993 à 2000. Elle se consacre à des questions qui lui tiennent à cœur, notamment l'équité salariale, les congés parentaux et les services de garde.
She's not afraid to call herself a feminist. She's not afraid to fight for these issues. She fought for maternity leave, continued to fight for maternity leave, and still to this day continues to fight for childcare for all workers.
Après avoir dirigé avec brio la région des Prairies, Robin est élue présidente nationale de l'AFPC en mai 2012.
I'm running for president of the PSAC because I believe I can make a difference. I can make a difference because I know this union and its diverse structures, and I respect the members we serve.
Dès le début, Robin est catégorique. L'AFPC défendra fermement les droits de ses membres et de l'ensemble des travailleuses et des travailleurs. Les conservateurs de Stephen Harper sabrent les services publics et profitent de leur majorité à la Chambre pour abroger les droits des travailleurs et des citoyens. Robin mobilise les membres et organise une riposte particulièrement réussie.
I have to say these bastards across the street, let's call them what they are. This is what's happening to our country. So in the last 2 years, this government has cut 20,000 positions from the federal government. 20,000 good jobs gone. And when these jobs are gone, sisters and brothers, so are the services that go with them.
Robin est convaincue qu'il faut bâtir le syndicat en commençant par la base. En 2013, elle demande donc à toutes les sections locales de parler aux membres et de leur demander d'appuyer l'AFPC. En quelques mois, 36 000 membres ont signé une carte solidarité.
Je l'ai connue quand elle était au Manitoba et même au niveau national. C'est une femme engagée, c'est une femme enthousiaste, c'est une femme déterminée, pour ne pas dire têtue, mais très déterminée et très près des membres. Elle aimait les membres et les membres l'aimaient. Elle avait une facilité de communiquer avec eux.
Qu'il s'agisse de protéger les congés de maladie, de sauver les pensions ou de s'opposer aux coupes, Robin défend la cause dans les quotidiens et sur les écrans du pays entier.
This government has a habit of misleading Canadians. They've done so on the sick leave, and we've been very clear about it all year long since Mr. Clement came out and said during Public Service Week last year that we were abusing sick leave. We said it was impossible, that we were not, and now we have an actual report that proves it, that he was misleading Canadians. And he's now going to mislead Canadians about the retirees' benefits.
Okay.
Robin est implacable. Elle exige le respect des travailleurs et la protection de leurs gains durement acquis. Lorsqu'elle dit non aux concessions, c'est non.
Whether they liked it or not, she let them know exactly what her position was, whether it was a bargaining demand issue, whether it was a Phoenix issue. She certainly had no qualms about letting the employer and letting senior management know, and including ministers, where she stood on those issues. And she always made the fight for what was best for the membership.
En 2014, Tony Clement et le gouvernement conservateur décident de s'attaquer au congé de maladie des fonctionnaires. Robin ne recule pas d'un poil.
Let them know that we are not going to make excuses for something that's in our collective agreement. It's been there for 40 years and it'll be there another 40 years. This isn't a race to the bottom, sisters and brothers. And when I went on an anti-union radio show on Saturday, I said to them, because he said, oh, my friends don't have sick leave. Well, they bloody well should have sick leave.
L'élection de 2015 a constitué la plus grande épreuve de force pour l'AFPC. Elle lance la campagne « Votez pour stopper l'hémorragie » en vue de détrôner Stephen Harper. Les conservateurs sont défaits. Leurs successeurs, les libéraux, promettent de respecter les fonctionnaires, de négocier des ententes justes et de rétablir les droits syndicaux.
There's been many victories actually under Robin's presidency. Two that stand out certainly. Number one is the defeat of the Harper Conservatives in 2015. And then the success of the We Are All Affected campaign. It's a campaign that we started shortly after Robin and I got elected. And it's something that resonates still today.
You know, the last 10 years of the Conservative has not been easy for any one of us, but equally so for PSAC members, and she stood her ground. She did not concede anything to the Conservative and fought them tooth and nail, and I think we're all better today as a result of their defeat. But equally so, you know, reminding the new government that they had to address the concerns of PSAC members and the important work of public service in this country.
Le lancement du système de paye Phoenix en 2016 déclenche un autre combat. Avec Robin aux commandes, le syndicat mobilise ses membres partout au pays et se bat pour qu'ils obtiennent une aide financière immédiate.
It's been a debacle for 2 years. It's the second anniversary of Phoenix. And quite frankly, what we need to do is tell the government that while they did put some measures into the budget yesterday, they didn't put enough.
I always thought that she was pretty gruff and rough at the same time, but there was this underlay of Robin that had that huge heart and passion and compassion at the same time, both for the members but also for for the union and the work she was doing. And over the years, we became natural friends with each other. I always enjoy her toughness, but at the same time enjoy her advice and commitment to the work we've all been doing together to build this great movement of ours.
La plus grande qualité de Robin, c'est vraiment son engagement. Tout le long de sa carrière, elle a pris beaucoup de temps pour les membres, elle aimait les membres et les heures qu'elle a données au syndicat, je trouve que pour elle, c'était sa plus grande qualité. D'ailleurs, c'est la qualité d'un leader et c'est le besoin d'un leader.
We will be forever grateful for all she has given to make our movement a better movement, and she certainly will leave her mark. I will miss her as a friend, a dear friend. They had a leader who gave her all for them. And it was always about the members. And every time I saw her and was working with her, it was always about the members.
She has been a femtor to many sisters in PSAC and in other unions. And for that, you know, I have to say thank you.
Bonne chance, Robin. Pense à toi maintenant. Pense à ta famille, tes enfants, tes amis et profite-en.
I consider Robin a very good friend. And now I'm going to cry. I wish her the best in her retirement.
It's been a pleasure, Robin, to serve as Vice President for your 6 years as presidency. You've certainly made me a better leader.
Congratulations, my dear, and all the best in health, wealth, and enjoyment.